Hi children, today our fourth unit professionals. What is mean by professionals ma? You know what is the professionals means? Any type of work that a person can do. Any type of a work that a person can do. So I am here your teacher. So teacher is as a one profession only. Yes ma? Yes. So today our lesson is professionals. In that few examples I wrote on the board. One is police. So here many children, their fathers work in the police. Yes no ma? Yes. So they will protect our country. What they will do? They will protect our country. Engineers. Engineers means engineers also there in our class. Some students, their fathers will work as a engineers. As no? Yes. Engineers means now our school building. Who built this our school building ma? Engineers. They will plan and they will build the buildings. In near our school surroundings also some new buildings are they are building. So who are there? Builders they are building. For builders, the engineers, they are giving the plans to them. Next one is architect. Architect means after building our building, we will do the decorations in our inside and outside of the house. So that man's called as a architect. And singers. Singers means in our class also you are all are good singers only. Yes or no ma? If any free times come, you will going on singing a song. Actors. Actors means who will act in a film. They call as a actors. In if any new film comes, you will catch that song and you will play the role as a whatever the songs come, hero or heroine, like that you will play. That is called as a actor. For example, in previous class I given some homework for you. So next day if you come to the class, what you will say if I ask you to give that homework? What you will say? Ma'am, I forget my notebook at home. Otherwise my brother has stayed that book. My book, I lost my book. Like that simple some words you will play. That is also called as a act. Yes or no? Yes. Now going to the lesson children. People works to earn a live. The works people do this called their professions and they are called professionals. So if we do our professional, then only we will get the money. Earn means money. If we do our professional good, then only we get the money. If money is there, we will buy many things. You will get good education. Yes or no? If your mother, father, they will do their professions, they work very good, they will get good money and you will study in good school also. Yes children. And you will wear the new dresses. Now different types of food you will eat. Different types of fruits, yeah, whatever things you will purchase with the money. So going to the lesson, Mr. Mehta is an engineer. He works in a large office. So I said here before only about the engineer. What he will do? He will build the buildings. So in a big large office, he does his work on the computer. So where he will do the work ma? On computer. On computer he will design all that, he will plan that how to build the house, where we have to keep the kitchen, bedroom, hall. These all things they will plan on the computer. Many people's work there, he say, I am bored of my job. So it is, I wish to do something else. So it is very hard working job. Engineer means very hard work they will do. They will plan on the computer, then they will draw on the paper, they will design that, then they will go to start the buildings. This is very hard working one engineer. Next, going to the next one, Mrs. Veena, she is a merchant. She is a merchant. She sells vegetables. She sells onion, potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, peas, beans, pumpkins and other vegetables in her cart. Cart means what, ma? Like this it will be. So in this cart she will sell all different types of vegetables. All different types of vegetables. So you will see near the roads, beside the roads you will see that some carts they will sell on that fruits also. Banana, apples, that all vegetable fruits they will sell. But vegetable, she will sell the vegetables and she love her work also. I enjoy moving around my cart. So with this cart she will move to one street to another street, means one colony to another colony she will going on rounding. She is enjoying the job. What is her job is? Merchant, who will sell the things they called as a merchant. Next, going to the topic, Mr. Ram is a porter. He works at a railway station. He carry luggage of other people on the platform and help them reach their bogies. So next one is porter in railway station. Railway station. When we will go to railway station, ma? To going to here to somewhere, anywhere, if your relatives house, yeah, any temples, if you go to Tirupati like that, you will go in the trains. Otherwise in the bus you will go. So here the man Ramu, he is carrying the luggage other people's on the platform and help them reach their bogies. Bogies means many box will have to the train, Noma. That called as a bogies. So from where they will stand there to the reaching their bogies, he will catch on the head their luggages, 2-3 suitcases, and he will reach the bogie. Carry heavy load is really a hard work. He say, it makes me tired. If you also you are wearing the bags, from you are coming down to your class also you will get tired because you are a small children, only one bag. Then going time also you will become very tired. Going to outside, then you will give your bags to your parents, they will carry and you will go to your house. But here the work who is doing the work, he will also get very tired. Why? Because on the head he will carry the suitcase, 3 or 4 suitcases. So and then he is also very happy to doing that work. Next is Miss Ritika. She is a dance teacher. She works in a dance school. So what she is doing, ma? She is a dancer. She is working in a dance school. She loves dancing. She teach the film actor and actress different steps. I love dancing, she say. So when in our school also, if any cultural programs are there, we will also do the dance. So who will teach you? A dance teacher will come and teach you the new steps. So she is also like as a dance teacher, she will teach to different peoples and she will make a new steps for them. She is also very love her profession. Next going to Amit. He is a pilot. What he is a? He is a pilot. Where the pilots will do the work, ma? Pilot. For whom we will say the pilot? in the aeroplane, who will fly the aeroplanes? For them will say the pilot. So he fly aeroplane. I love to fly like a bird, he say. So he is inside feeling that he is very happy, like bird I am flying in the sky. So sometimes you will also feel like that only. How that bird is flying in the sky. See that butterfly, how beautiful is there. You will also share with your friend. When we will also same like that, means we fly in the sky. Like that you will feel. So these are the some professions whatever I explained you on the board. So some examples I given, they are happy with their profession. If we do after completing your education, then only we will plan for our professions, whatever is there. Okay children, then going to the next topic, page number 36. See here children, page number 36. Here also some professionals pictures are there. In that we have to arrange in the order wise. They are given in the jumble words. We have to arrange in the order wise. So I will explain you this all. Then after you write down in your notes. So see the first picture. What is this first picture ma? What is this first picture? She is catching the book in her hand. Back side is the blackboard is there. Where you will see this blackboard? In your classrooms. Where you will see? In your classroom. So what is this? What is the picture here? Yes, she is a teacher. She is a teacher. Going to the next picture. See a picture. The man is standing in the neck, on the shoulder. What he is wearing? Stethoscope. And beside here plus symbol in red color is there. So where we will see this red symbol of this ma? Yes, in the hospital. So what is that picture? He is a doctor. He is a doctor. See the going to the third picture. What is this picture ma? See what is this picture? Beside the man, two shoes are there. What are there? Two shoes are there. Who will mend our shoes ma? Who? Yes, cobbler. If he will make the shoes, we will look nicely. You are coming to school without shoes. If you come only uniform, it will be look nicely? No. In full uniform only you will look nicely, and the other whoever will see the now, they will say that student is very good, very new uniform, neat uniform. They are going to the school, they will say. Without uniform if you come, not wearing the shoes, tie, this all, if anybody will say you to the student is very good? No. Yes. If full uniform only we will look very nice. So who will mend our shoes ma? Yes, cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Next, going to the next picture. What is this picture? What is there in the picture ma? Round, it is orange color. What is this? Yes, this is sun. This is sun. So when we will do this all things, if any free class is there, we will say you to do the drawing. Yes or no children? Yes. So if it is drawing is very bad, then you will going to do again and again. When the new diagram will come, so doing the drawing, if you one time it's get dirty drawing also, what you will do children? Going on doing again. When it comes very neatly, then you will feel very happy. So he is the picture of the painter. He will do the drawing like that. If a perfect picture comes, then only we call as a painter. Okay. So next one is painter. Going to next one. What is this ma? Dancer. She is a dancer? Just now I explained in the class. Yes or no? She is a dancer. Going to last picture. What is this last picture, ma? He is repairing the pipes here. What he is doing? He is repairing the pipes. In our house also, if any tap is got any problem, so who will come and prepare this, ma? Yes, plumber. He is a plumber. So this is the topic, ma. Our lesson has completed. Professionals, whatever I given the words on the board, just you copy in your class works, and whatever the jumble words I given, just you write in your test book. That's all.